Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Well, it's getting down in the ending of the season. The weather is changing, but guess what? The coolness ain't come on yet, so I'm still feeling good because still harvesting sweet pepper like crazy and okra. Ton load of sweet pepper. Look down inside here. Sweet pepper, okra, Scotch bonnet pepper. Every 2 days I come to this garden, I have a full harvest. I'm telling you, every 2 days. So at this moment, I'm just being grateful. Look at this sweet pepper tree. Loaded with sweet pepper. So when I tell you guys, I have some videos that shows you the best way to plant sweet pepper. If you really want sweet pepper to bear continuously, you got to follow my step. I have a video that shows you step by step how you plant sweet pepper, and I guarantee once you follow my step, it will shows you how to plant, and in that way you're gonna be harvesting a whole lot. So if you just follow my videos, them very informational. So I'm encouraging each and everyone, like, share, and comment. Feel free. This my tomato still bearing. You know what? Look what. Bearing a lot still. Look how much ripe one is there. You know? Look this sweet pepper tree here. Have a nice one. Sometimes I don't really ready to pick them, but the problem is if I don't pick them, they get too heavy and they split the limb. Like this one will split this whole limb, and then I'm gonna lose all the sweet pepper that's on this branch. We didn't get rain that much for this year, but one thing I know, when we was getting rain, I was losing a lot of my blossom from the sweet pepper, a lot. I will come and I will see the sweet pepper tree full of blossom, and from the time it rained, all the blossom gone. So because of no rain, not much rain, I have really harvested a lot of sweet pepper this year. No joke about it. I had also to tie them up, but I harvest a whole lot. It's like every 2 days. Look this tree. Full with blossom. Full with sweet pepper. But guess what? It's supposed to rain like crazy for over the weekend, come right back up to maybe Monday, Tuesday. So because of that, I know I'm gonna lose a lot of these blossom. But I'm grateful because the season was great. I harvest so much pepper. Look at this tree, loaded with sweet pepper. You know, look the bee. We even see the bee there enjoying itself. Yeah. Look at this Scotch bonnet tree. It's huge. I'm telling you, this thing will bear at least 50 pepper at a time. I'm telling you. I already picked so much, and look what's still going on here. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.